Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn a simple way how you can easily add end screens for your YouTube videos in Studio. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on videos and just click whatever video you got. And when you have it, you want to click on editor. When you're gonna click on editor, you're gonna see it here, the end screen. And you just can easily just click plus, and you can just like add every template, video, playlist, subscribe channel link. I will add like video, and now you can like choose most recent upload, best for viewer, or choose, and you can just easily edit it like this. So you see that I'm doing the post and you got it. So this is how you do it, and you got it. Really simple, really easy. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.